The people who will have the easiest reckoning on the day of resurrection are those who have done the reckoning of themselves in the life of this world, who have considered well their deeds and intentions, who completed what is for Allah's sake and abstained from what is not. And the reckoning will be heavy for those who jeopardize their religious duties in the life of this world and make no reckoning of themselves, because they will discover that the Almighty Allah has recorded even the weight of an atom of their deeds. Allah the Almighty says, "They will say, woe to us, what sort of book is this that leaves neither a small thing nor a big thing, but has recorded it with numbers? And they will find all that they did placed before them, and your Lord treats no one with injustice."